across the sky into a black night. It makes me wonder as I look in your eyes. Am I falling under your spell? Earth moving beneath my feet, sky falling down on me. I wanna believe in miracles, in things I've never seen. Is it real?
What a fantastic stopover we've got this time, and just look at that view. Isn't that beautiful? And the camping car area is literally just behind me, and it's just over 13 euros a night. You've got electric with that, there's showers and there's toilets as well. Absolutely amazing value, but hey, nothing compares to this amazing view. Just look at this, isn't it beautiful? Okay, it's to the east of Rennes, and of course you'll be able to find this as usual, because I've got the what 3 words underneath the video as usual, and of course we've got lots more information coming up in just a few moments, but just for the moment, just take in that beautiful view. Isn't it gorgeous? I'll say, I think camping car park, they've certainly got it right, because it's not just France now, it's they're spreading all over Europe. And the great thing about it, what I love, is that you can book in advance, and you can see on the app if there's any free space, but you can book, and that's just great. I've got the card, so you just literally book it in advance is what we have been doing. Turn up, show the card at the barrier, and that's it. We go straight through. It is a very hot day today, and Jasmine, hello, you're just chilling out, and I don't blame you. So what else can I tell you? But well, what really impresses me about this camping car park is the spaces. Now normally when you go onto an Aire, you don't get this much space, do you? I mean, it's like a campsite for a fraction of the price. Now what they also have, so if you have any washing that you need wringing out or washing, there we go. They've even got the bowls, hot water. Let's go round. There we go. We've got these as well to do your washing up. And there's even lots more. Now, I've said many times before, I don't want to get a reputation for this, but they have toilets as well. There we go. Showers. Can you believe it? And I've tested the showers, and they're really warm. So, gents showers, another set of gents showers, and toilet just here. There we go, light switch, switch that on, and there we go. All for just over 13 euros a night. Absolutely fantastic. Really handily located if you're going down or coming back, in our case, from the Atlantic side of France. That's where we've been staying. It's still officially Brittany at the moment. We're heading towards the Loire area. So we'll finish the video off and just give you a little bit more information, and hopefully take the drone up and show you what it's like from the skies.
When did we make it so cold? The air is too thick to breathe. I wonder when you're coming home at 4:05. girl, where have you been? I can tell from your breath that you've been drinking. Lying seems so easy to you. Just wanna know what you're thinking. Nothing comes easy when it comes to you. You said you wanted to know me, but did you even try? All you do is find new ways to hurt me. 'Cause you just wanna act like it's fine, but it's not alright. You just act like it's fine. Oh no, it's not alright. No, it's not alright. It's not alright. Remember all those good times? Was it all just a scene? Now all we do is put out the fires. It's not how we used to be. I can sit here and talk about the memories, but I guess that's not what you wanna do. So I just wanna know what you're thinking, 'cause nothing comes easy when it comes to you. You said you wanted to know me, but did you even try? 'Cause all you do is find new ways to hurt me when you just wanna act like it's fine.
So we're out for a little bit of a cycle ride with Teresa and Jasmine. She's in the doggy towing trailer, and isn't this beautiful again? It's a little ride. We're still at the camping car park at Pertre, however we want to say it. And this is a beautiful little cycle ride heading towards a forest. And we've just gone by a beautiful chateau, Chateau Bel Aire. But isn't France absolutely stunning?
When you just wanna act like it's fine, but it's not alright. It's not alright. No, it's not.